Hey guys, in this video today I'm looking at the Victure 4K Wi-Fi Ultra HD camera, which is similar to a GoPro but it has way more accessories and comes at a cheaper price. This particular one is the AC920, which is the one I'm showing right here, going for $109 on Amazon, and has quite a boatload of features including like EIS, image stabilization, the touchscreen, and a couple of other things that go way beyond my knowledge. And aside from this camera, they do make a whole host of other cameras for your house, internal, external, even baby monitors, so check them out, link down below if you decide you want to see it. In the box, we do have accessories, and there's a whole host of accessories from microphones to shutters to a whole slew of different cases and backings and other stuff. Similar to a GoPro, like when I had my Hero 2, I had to buy a lot of accessories, and for this one, it did come with pretty much everything except an SD card. Looking at the camera right here, it is pretty simple in operation with the power button in front, touchscreen in the back, 2 buttons on the side, 1 button at the top for the shutter, and some inputs on the side for the SD card. Then at the bottom you have the mount and the battery, which the battery doesn't come pre-installed. You have to just take the battery out, stick it in there, and then the camera turns on. And that's all of that. Now we're going to hit power. Camera turns on, and now it's saying there's no SD card. This is the waterproof case. These are mounts that you're able to stick on like a helmet or even on a car or something like that. This looks like you can attach it to a pole. It's already preset actually. I could use this to take a picture, or I could use it to record a video. That is pretty cool. And straps, but this time you can actually clip it onto something. Have more of these pegs. There's 3 pegs. I'm just gonna put those aside. There's a battery. There's an external microphone. So on this side you have the micro SD slot. You have the slot to plug in the external microphone, and there's another HD out here. Over here, just another mounting bracket, yet another mounting bracket. And in a different case, you can actually hear the sound rather than have it full waterproof and then you can't hear any sound, which is the case of this one. And now just a quick walkthrough in operating the camera. So on the right side there, you do have zoom in and zoom out. Just tap these little buttons and you can do that. Here's the settings. You can set video resolution, EIS, exposure value, and even things like loop recording, slow motion recording, fast motion recording, low light values, wind noise, power frequency, just a lot of different stuff that even I would have to take time to go through. And then if we go back here, there's a button at the top. This one allows you to take the video. So if you press this, it starts recording. And then if you stop this, then it stops recording. On this side here, if you press up, then you're able to connect to it using Wi-Fi. So like if I want to transfer some files from my camera to my phone, I could use this connection right here. If I press up again, so this button, it goes away. If I press down, you can toggle mic on and mic off at the top there. And then if you press the power button in the front, that allows you to toggle between pictures, and then even just setting up different video, and then even going back into the video mode. And then lastly, if you want to review your files, you could go in here. It loads your files, and then you're able to see the different videos that you've taken over time. Overall, for a camera at this price point, it does have excellent video quality and does work very well. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video on the Victure AC920. Please drop a like down below, subscribe, and I hope you share it with your friends. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.